How to create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. The July dump or monthly photo dump trend on Instagram is a fun way to share a collection of your photos or favorite photos and moments from a specific month. And here's how you can create. So first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, now tap on Add Story at the top left corner. Now from here you have to choose your favorite photo. If you want to add more or if you want to add some more photos of your July, then what you can do is simply tap on this sticker icon and then now again tap on photo and add another photo. So you can choose the photo according to your preferences and edit your layout the way you want. So once you're done adding all the photos, now in order to add your July dump photo trend, what you have to do is tap on the sticker icon again, and from all of this menu you will find a button that says add yours. Tap on it. Now under this write a prompt text, you can simply tap in or type in your July dump. Then tap on done. Now you can place it anywhere you like. Now once you post this to your story, anyone can tap on add yours and then will again follow your trend by adding their July pictures. And that's how you can create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.